In the hustle and bustle of modern life, the subtle melodies of nature often fade into the background. Yet, there exists a world of intricate music, a symphony performed daily, free of charge, the songs of birds. To dedicate a day to truly listening to this natural concert is to open a portal to tranquility and connection. Our ears, often bombarded with the cacophony of traffic notifications and human chatter, are primed to filter out the delicate nuances of birdsong. A robin's cheerful warble, a sparrow's persistent chirp, the melodic trill of a finch. Each note tells a story. Some songs are declarations of territory, others are invitations to mate, and still others are simply expressions of joy. By listening intently, we begin to decipher these intricate messages, gaining a deeper understanding of the avian world around us. Furthermore, studies have shown that exposure to birdsong can have a profound impact on our well-being. It can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. The simple act of listening can be a powerful antidote to the anxieties of modern life. So take a moment today, step outside, find a quiet spot, and simply listen. Let the unfurling symphony of birdsong wash over you. Allow yourself to be captivated by the intricate melodies and the subtle variations. You might be surprised by the depth of beauty and the sense of peace that awaits you. In a world often defined by noise, the quiet music of birds offers a gentle reminder of the simple joys that surround us.